We are pleased to show you the 2017 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, fog lights, rear window defroster, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.